Hey guys, so before we start this video, just want to come to you real quick to tell you that we have started a new channel. Yay! So our new channel, Niesie and Tone, you can find it in the description box of this video. It's going to be more of our day-to-day lives. So if you rock with us on here, come rock with us over there. We just posted our first video, so please go over and show us some love. So we appreciate y'all so much. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
Yes. And let's get into this workbench build. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you watched the last video, then you know that we are picking up exactly where we left off. The last video, we cleaned up this whole freaking mess of a garage. And now I'm about to build me a workshop over there on that wall. Yeah. So that is what we're about to do today. I'm going to show you a very easy and simple way to build a workbench if you're interested in that. And then, yeah, we're going to put a little bit of NeesieDoesIT pizzazz in this garage. You know. All right guys, so for my tabletop, I am using a 3/4 inch piece of nicely sanded plywood. So this plywood is extremely smooth. And I picked up this DIY workbench hardware kit. And this is pretty much everything that I'm gonna need to assemble this bench together. And here I already have my pieces of wood laid out. So this is really the best way to do a project. Go ahead and cut all the pieces that you need and then start to assemble. So now we gotta add our shelf, our second shelf to it. So the easiest way that I found to do this, of course, we don't want to take our wood and try to hold it up. So I've already marked down 8 inches on each leg to where I want the next shelf to sit. So then you're just gonna take your bracket, make sure it's facing the correct way. We're gonna slide it on like that, and then we're gonna bring the edge of it right to that mark that we made. And then I'm just gonna screw it in. So now by doing this, when we flip it, we can set our other side pieces of wood right in there and then just screw it right in. It'll have something to rest upon while we drill. All right, so I had to pull out my ladder because I've decided that I want to add wheels on the bottom. And in order for me to add wheels on the bottom, I needed a more square piece. All right, y'all, so I made a rookie mistake. I'm gonna show y'all. I forgot to account for the height of my wheels. So now this is too high for me to work at. It's almost like right under my breast. So if I'm cutting something, the height of it is just gonna be way too high. So I'm going to fix it by, I'm just gonna unscrew the top unscrew the top brackets, and then I'm just gonna cut the legs down a little bit with my, what am I gonna use? I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna cut down the legs with this, with my little saw. So that's what I'm gonna have to do in order to fix it. It's a mistake, but it can be fixed. Unfortunately, I'm about to have to remove 48 screws in order to get it right. But the wheels are very important to me. I need it to roll. Rolling back and forth is very important because I'll be using it a lot. So I gotta keep the wheels on. And even if I had taken the wheels off, it wasn't gonna give me enough lift. So I'm gonna have to take the space from up here, up top. I'm gonna bring it down about 6 inches or so. So always make sure you account for your wheel height when you're determining the height of your legs. Now Antonio's home now, so he's helping me. So now all we're doing is screwing in some wood screws on the top to attach the top piece. All right, y'all, so this second piece is going to be the shelf for down here. Of course, we have to notch it out for the legs. So the easiest way to do this, you're just going to take a 2x4, place it on your corner just like this, and then you just trace where the leg is, and then we know exactly where to notch it out. So when we cut this out, it'll fit right into the bottom perfectly. All right, so this part would be easier with a jigsaw. So this is what a jigsaw looks like, and it's much easier to cut smaller lines. But right now we just don't have our battery to that one, so we're just gonna use the, what is this, the circular saw? Yeah. The circular saw. I'm getting it. We actually didn't even screw in the bottom. We were going to, but it's in place. The way that we notched it out, it's not gonna move. So yeah, this is perfect. So first part of my NDI workshop is done. If y'all have any questions, then go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'll also go ahead and put the actual measurements to what I did in the description box as well. So see y'all on the next one.